iOS 26 finally lets you change your iPhone's snooze time, and this video is going to show you how you can change it in a couple of seconds. If you're using the snooze button a lot in the morning, but you're tired of that 9-minute time frame and you want to change it, then what you'll want to do is to first make sure that your iPhone is running the latest iOS 26 software update. This is a new feature which Apple has rolled out, so you will need at least iOS 26 or later in order to do this. The next step is to, of course, open any alarm and then set it up, set your ringtone and all that good stuff. But let's first enable the snooze option, because we want to be able to snooze the specific alarm in the morning when it goes off. Now, you're going to see this snooze duration option, and when I tap on this, a little wheel will pop up over our screen where it will allow us to select our snooze duration. The lowest that you can set this is 1 minute, and the maximum is up to 15 minutes. And when you're done with this, just tap on the check option at the top right corner, and that's it. You've now changed the snooze duration on your iPhone's alarm clock. Keep in mind that you will have to do this for every alarm individually, but the good thing is that you're not limited to that 9-minute snooze duration. I want to thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.